This is a love reading for you, Cancer, for you and your love interest. I'm going to do is a heart shape spread where I'll take out cards for you and your person. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Cancer, and whatever may resonate will vary in the intensity. You also want to note at the end I have attached is a small reel of all the services I do or the products that I offer, and I have given the links in the description box for you to read and then write to me for a reading. There is also a link for the November newsletter. You want to read it, download it, share it with as many people. There's a lot of love and effort gone into doing as much for all my readers. So let us see how's the guidance, Cancer. Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the love reading? So, on absolute urgent basis, Cancer, you totally need to have some kind of a regime going, and you need to start to go easy on yourself. It's almost like when things don't work out, you blame yourself to death, and you're not able to revive yourself or look around and appreciate the beauty around you. Some of you are feeling a lot of down days for whatever reason, and you're just thinking, it's why is it so tough to find love? Why am I not understood so well? There's just this very huge energy about feeling left out or feeling very low or sad about something. Now, this is also a guidance about when you're in grief. Maybe a loved one around you is not well or has died recently. You're just feeling completely low and down. Now, who is your partner? Your partner is someone who's trying to or is pushing you also to relocate or to move to a new city, and for whatever reason it looks like that plan is not working out. So the maybe the two of you want to get back home, or you both want to go to a new place and settle down, but it's just not working out. Your partner is also someone who's focusing a lot on their career, and he or she wants to really grow well or do very well career wise, and for whatever reason those career plans are not really taking off, and he or she is feeling a little down in their own way. What the two of you need to appreciate, so you see, while you seem to be all attention and caring and listening to what your partner has to say, and your partner is also very much in the moment, the two of you need to appreciate that you cannot do injustice to all the love and being together by forever being complaining or being sad about how things are not working out. You both need to just let go of whatever is working or not working, but enjoy the moment together. There's a lot of love that is put into the back pedestal in this relationship. Now, what is the strength and challenges you are bringing and your partner is bringing? You are this very strong, sharp business mind person, and I am seeing is, you bring great authority and success with you. So you're not someone who gets, who doesn't understand business. Some of you may be doing very successful business, or you have a very good career or a job, and it has something to do with communications or PR, and you seem to be holding a very special or a very very strong position at work. What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? Your partner chooses silence and doesn't complain about lot of things. He or she may be going through some rough time, or whether in career wise or just certain travel plans, but he or she is not complaining. Your partner chooses lot of silence, So, as I'm seeing here, is the two of you are not fighting, but there is just love which is also not happening as much. The two of you need to maybe be spending more time together. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who comes from a very good education and background but does not have enough money. So you do worry about this partner and their money sense, and whether they will be able to make it work, or make it work for themselves, or have a strong or a stable career. So he or she is not making enough money or has made a lot of financial mistakes. It's quite possible your partner has some kind of a debt and they're finding it very difficult to pay off this debt or a loan. Your partner sees you as someone very successful and someone with a very big and a positive vibe. It's almost like, Cancer, when you want something, your partner feels very quickly and easily you get those things, or you're very heavily supported, that people come to your help and they make you get to what you want. So your partner sees you as a social butterfly or just someone who's very lucky in lot of things. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? You want lot of luxury and money and riches to have or plan a future together, Cancer. And you also wish for a very big and a grand family. So unless your partner is in line with this kind of plan or thought, you're not thinking about future together till then. Your partner sees you as someone with a very good position and with stable job and is a provider. So your partner is totally convinced that if he or she were to get married to you, or were this relationship to go into a commitment stage, or should the two of you stay together, your partner is convinced that they will be looked after, or there will be a lot of money and good life with you. So your partner is quite convinced about the future together. And to both of you, money is very important. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You come from a very loving and affectionate and supportive family, Cancer. It's almost like while growing up, you were not denied anything, and your parents are very, very warm, including your extended family. And there is so much love and emotions you have grown up with. So you may be a very warm person. In the past, I'm seeing is your partner has come from a very fragile or a weak background, but he or she has made it very big. He or she may have gone to one of the best colleges just on merit, or just getting the clear A's or something, because he or she has come up the ranks. They come from a very not so great a background or a very weak background, but has made it very well or done very well for themselves. So maybe somebody with very, very good academics that I'm seeing here. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? The two of you are under some kind of stress, and you both go to work, come back, and then just wish for things to go away or things to work out. So there's not much color in the life the way you are living. The two of you both need to maybe go out, enjoy much for this guidance to change. So I'm just saying is you both may be getting taken down by the routine also on a daily basis, that all that work that you need to do. So maybe give it a time. Very literally this card is telling me 1 month's time. So maybe in a month's time your energy will change, things will start to look up, and then there is so much that the two of you can do together, or there will be literally be so many outings that you will go. You both are experiencing bit of a downtime right now and choosing to be an introvert over somebody who would go out and party, or eat out. So this guidance where you want to be little bit down and away goes away in a month's time. So maybe already you can make it go away by making it a point that you do both spend time together. But anyways, little bit stress is there in the month of November to the first half of December. So this is how the reading is Cancer for you and your love interest.